We are going to show you how to get to the School City student portal for taking an online assessment. Once you've logged on to the computer, click the Google Chrome icon on the desktop or on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. If you're not brought to the Modesto City Schools District webpage, type in www.mcsforkids.com and hit enter. Once the district webpage pops up, click on Students tab, then Academics, and you'll find the shortcut to the School City student portal on the right. Click it. This brings you to the sign-on page for the School City student portal. The username and password are your district username and passwords, the same that you use to log onto the computer. Username is your student ID, and then your password. Then click Sign In. From the launch pad of the student portal, you will click on the Take Assessments box. Click on the test that the teacher has instructed you to take. This brings you to your assessment. This shows you have 5 questions on this test. As you answer the questions, click the Next button to bring you to the next question. If you have a question that you want to go back to and look at a later time, you can click on the flag to flag that question. When you have a question that requires you to type a short answer, you're given a text box to type your question in, your answer in. So once you read the question, you type your answer. And then again, once you're done typing your answer, you click the Next. When you've answered all the questions, you're brought to a review summary page. This will show you the questions you have flagged that you wanted to go back over. Click the number for the question to go back to it. Once you're satisfied with the answer, you can then unclick the flag and return to the summary page by clicking Review Summary. Once you are satisfied with the answers you have given, you click on Done, Review Results. It asks you one more time, are you ready to submit your answers? If you are, click Submit. This brings you to a preliminary result page. It will give you the results for the questions that don't need teachers to correct. The multiple choice questions you've taken, you answered 4 correct for 100%. But it also tells you here that this assessment includes 1 or more items that must be hand scored by the teacher, and the results below are just preliminary. Once you've received your results, you then log out. Once your teacher has notified you that they have corrected the questions that they needed to score, you can log back into your School City account. Click on the Review Scores box. Choose the test that you just took. And this now tells you that you received an 86% overall for the test, that you scored 6 out of 7. If you want to review your answers again, you can scroll down, review your questions. Once you've done reviewing your test scores, you log out.